By requiring a password, you can prevent unauthorized devices from connecting to your iPhone and streaming your content. In this video, we're going to show you how to add an extra layer of security to your iPhone 15's AirPlay feature. Let's get started. First, navigate to your iPhone's home screen and tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Keep scrolling until you find the AirPlay and Handoff option and tap on it. At the bottom of the AirPlay and Handoff screen, you'll see the Require Password option. Tap on the switch to turn it on. You'll be prompted to enter a new AirPlay password. Choose a strong and memorable password to ensure the security of your device. Finally, tap OK to save your password. This added security measure can help protect your privacy and prevent unauthorized access to your content. Should you wish to update your password, tap Set AirPlay Password and then follow the on-screen prompts to enter and save your new password. And that's it. You've successfully configured your iPhone 15 to require a password when using AirPlay. Please subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.